Hey guys, it's Holly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do the knockout design with your iPhone and iPad. This is super easy to do and it's actually the way I prefer. So I'm going to open a new text box and I'm just going to start with the last name and Times New Roman. My next text is going to be the first names. I'm going to do it with I love glitter. And to get the look we want, we're going to do open bracket, the name, underscore, the name, and close bracket. So you can see our letter spacing is not quite like we want it, so I'm going to go to edit and I'm going to change the letter spacing down. The next step is super important, so I'm going to select the entire first name and I'm going to go to actions and I'm going to weld. You can only slice 2 layers at a time. So by welding our first names, it's going to read it as 1 layer. Now I'm going to change both layers to 9 inches in width. And after you have your finished design, you can change that to any width or height. I'm just going to see how I like it with the names layered over, and it looks good. So I'm going to drag that back down so I can see it. I'm going to go to layers, and I'm going to change that to print. But don't worry, we're not really printing. Just click make it. And when it gives us our preview here, this is our shadow. I'm going to zoom in, screenshot, and then crop. I'll save that to my photos. And after I finish cropping, I'll bring it back into Design Space for cleanup. Just go to Upload, select from Camera Roll, and grab it. I'm going to tap the empty space with my finger and see that slide bar at the bottom. If you slide it all the way to the right, it's going to get rid of those crosshairs for us. And now we have our shadow layer. We'll just name and save the layer here. And now we'll upload the image. So when it brings it in big, just select it, rotate it over, and then resize it to the 9 inches. So now we're ready to slice. I'm just going to put my shadow layer over, select those 2 layers, go to Actions and Slice. It's going to carve that shadow layer out. I'm going to grab the last name, bring it down, and now I can bring my first names into it. I'm just going to center it up here, and now we have our knockout. The established that I used in my example is I love glitter, and then I just changed it up with the Geo Sans for the 1988. This is completely customizable. And once you have it the way you want, we are done. I do like to select all and weld it one last time and cut it all in one solid layer, and I usually cut it about 15 inches on a tile. So I hope you enjoyed. Give the video a like if it helped you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And until next time, thanks guys.